Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni. You're watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we have to discuss these topics. In this section, we have to discuss problems on ages. Let us start our section. Problems on ages. The important facts is first you have to know present, before, after. In question, they are asking present age. You have to take X. If they're asking before 5 years before 5 years ago, you have to take x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 3. Ago means you have to subtract, and after means you have to adding. 5 years after means you have to take x plus y, like this. For knowing some example, for seeing some example, you have better understanding in this section. Let us see examples for better understanding. See another example. What is the Aman's present age? If after 20 years, his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back. The present Aman's age is X. After 20 years, the age of Aman's is X plus 20. Before 10 years, the age of Aman's is X minus 10. Because before you have to subtract, after you have to adding. Here the question is, if after 20 years his age will be 10 times his age of 10 years back. Right? After 20 years, what is the Aman's age? X plus 20. After 10 years, before 10 years, what is the Aman's age? X minus 10. But before 10 years is 10 times. After 10 years is 10 times of before 10 years. So, 10 times of before 10 years. So, now we have to do simplification. I am getting x equal to 13.3 years. So, the present age of Aman's is 13.3 years. This is the example of this question. Let us see an example. Nisha is 15 years elder to Romy. If 5 years ago Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy, then find Nisha's present age. So, the age of Romy is y. Nisha is 15 years elder than Romy. So, I have to take y plus 15 because Nisha is 15 years elder than Romy. The age of Romy is 5. So, Nisha is elder than Romy 15 years. So, I am taking y plus 15. And Nisha is 5 years ago. The age of Nisha is y plus 15. So, 5 years ago, you have to do subtraction. So, 5 plus y plus 15 minus 5. And yes, Nisha age of 5 years ago, I am getting 5y plus 15 minus 5. Romy before 5 years, the age of Romy is y. Before 5 years, I am getting y minus 5. So the question is, if 5 years ago, Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy, the Romy age is y minus 5. So Nisha's age is 3 times of Romy age. So I am doing y plus 15 minus 5 equal to 3 times of Romy. What is the present age of Romy? Y minus 5. For doing simplification, I am getting y equal to 12.5 years. The Nisha's present age is 12.5 years. This is the example of this question. Doing some examples for following some tricks. Let us see the examples. Problems on ages. The first example, the ages of A and B are in the ratio of 5:6, 7 years. Hence, the ratio of their ages will become 60:7. What is the present age of A? Okay, let us start. The present age ratio of A and B is 5:6, and after 7 years, the age is 60:7. The ratio is 60:7. What is the difference between these two? The difference between present and after is 7 years, right? And the difference between these and these, one part. 5 to 6, one part, and 6 to 7, one part. So, one part equal to 7 years. Right? What is the present age of A? The present age of A is 5. So, 5 part equal to 7 into 5. So, I am getting equals to 35. So, the present age of A is 35 years. Right? Here, the two parts are same. There is no difference between these two. Here, there is difference one part and here there is difference one part. But some questions there is no same parts. Here 2 part is there, here 3 part is there. So in that case what we do? Let us see another example for having answer for that much of questions, right? The second example, the present age of father is 5 times the age of the son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is father at present? Here in this question, we have to give the information is the present age of father is 5 times the age of son. It means son have 1 year and father has 5 years, right? And 5 years ago. Ago means we have to subtract. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son. It means 10:1 ratio. How old is father at present? Here, now, what is the age of the father? Here 5:1, here 10:1. What is the difference between these 5 part? Here, the difference between these is here 5 part and here 0 part. So, these are equal? No. In these cases, we have to do first we have to difference between these ratios. What is the difference between 5:1? The difference between 5 to 1 is 4 and the difference between 10 to 1 is 9. You have to do cross multiplication. This 9 is multiple with this ratio and this 4 is multiple with this ratio. I am getting 5 9s are 45 and 9 1s are 9. Here I am getting 10 4s are 40, 1 4s are 4. So I am getting equal difference, right? Here 5 part and here also 5 part. So I am getting equal. Now we have to do how old is father at present. So I have to, what is the present age of father? Here I am getting 45. So 45 is my answer. This is the another example for doing problems on ages. So up to now, problems on ages also completed. So in our next section, we have to discuss surges and indices. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.